potting manually, it's a very cumbersome process, and it's a messy, and though we used to achieve quality, but then you can't achieve quantity, and you need a lot of labor. So with the help of twin engineering machine, we have now automized that process also, and we are very much successful and happy. I am Ashok Katpal. I am Managing Director of Jaivik Electromech Engineering Private Limited. We are focusing on capacitors. We make all type of capacitors. The AC capacitors, LT capacitor, in LT capacitor, film foil capacitor, MPP capacitor, and dry type capacitor and oil capacitor. Though we are a small company, but we have a lot of goodwill and respect of our brand throughout India. Now our focus area is automation. Now the automation gives a lot of confidence. So winding is automatic, or the zinc spraying is automatic, or testing is fully automatic, and soldering is fully automatic. The last but not the least was the automation which was very much required was in the potting machine, which we bought from Twin Engineering, Pune. So with the YouTube and on the website, we had seen the companies in Korea and in India. The reason why we have chosen Twin Engineering, first of all, it is hardly 200 kilometers from Nasik. And suppose we buy a machine from abroad, either from China or from Korea or from Europe, getting any spares and getting any service will take its own time. Suppose a small spare part is required, then we have to order it, and by the time we get it, it will take at least total process will take at least 1 month. But if it is an Indian machine, they will understand better, and probably we can get these spares within 24 hours. So like other competitor also we studied, we had discussion with them in India also, but considering the experience which Twin Engineering has since last so many years, we decided to go ahead with Twin Engineering. And when Twin Engineering engineers came for installation, they explained almost for a day to our team. We are right on the job, which the people who were doing manually work, so they were trained by the Twin Engineering team. Now with this machine, what happened, the quality of the product is neat and clean, and there is no wastage of raw material, and even a unskilled worker can do the job because it is fully automatic. So we just set the parameter, and then the rest of the things is being taken over by the machine. There was a constraint in achieving the quantity of the number of units earlier, because we are doing manually. Now our production has increased almost 5 times than what we were actually doing with the manual work.
In capacitor potting, material mixing is very critical. The ratio is very important. If ratio is not proper and repeatability of results is not done, then in that case the whole batch cannot cure. That is the main thing which is to be taken care of. In case of twin machine, we observe there is repeatability in results and till date there is no loss in batch production. There is data logging in this machine. We can check in what product how much mixing ratio is there and how much gram potting is done. In manual potting we were not getting exact results. Here we can get data in Excel sheet, all production data we can get, and each product material consumption, time required to fill it, that we get.
Now we are again ordering another machine. Now we have already purchased 2 machines, one for this company and one for Govinson Flashlights Private Limited, and we are in the process of ordering second machine. Maybe this process will continue, as and when our production and need arises,